I just say make I clear your doubts. In any business you want to invest your money in, first, study the business very well. So that if you invest money today, you will make huge profit. Sometimes in life, when you visit your friend who is selling tires, you come see people they patronize them, they buy tires 5 million naira, 2 million naira, 500,000 naira, 200,000 naira. For your mind, you will say, my friend, they make money, oh, money they tires business, oh. Once you just gather your money, you go open tires shop. For business, when you don't even know the front, you don't know the back. That is why some people go open business. In a space of 1 year, the business go fall yakata, like the wall of Jericho. Mado. If you go to market, you go see where Igbo men, they sell motor spare parts, electrical appliances, and so many other things. You go see boys, go write agreement for there. They go spend like 3 years, some go spend 2 years. Depends on how you fast catch up. They go they learn that particular business. By the time when they don't free, Oga go settle there. They'll go open that business. Check on. They always they progress because they study the business well. Same thing goes to entertainment. Before you venture into music, dancing, or comedy, study the game very well. Not be to the reno. They say that guy, now he the rain, the guy funny, that guy in music, now they circulate now. Ah, that guy they single, ah, that boy is a big dancer. So, are you making money?
Now you get sense pass.
Let me take some alcohol, so that I can talk to all these people who always invest money in a business that they don't really know where, under the influence of alcohol.
This man, 70 years old man.
Alcohol. This young talented musical artist when they trend now, Zazuzeh. Wizkid recently did a show at Echo Hotel. He invited Zazuzeh, Olamide and Pokoli to come and perform. When Zazuzeh they performed, Wizkid was moved by his energy performance. Wizkid come begin to spray Zazuzeh $3,000. When Pokoli they dance for front as he turn, when he sight Wizkid they spray Zazuzeh dollars. Pokoli post song. First pick money. For social media, people come begin they hate Pokoli, say you be better person. You understand this game. You have to save the money first before going back to dance. Right now, Zazuzeh don't crack come outside. Say $3,000. When Big Wiz spray him, now only $600 Pokoli give him. Say not only that, if you had a song, Zazuzeh, Pokoli don't claim ownership of the song. See the video.
Olúwa Wizzy bàbá ńlá Big Wizzy ti bókàlì o. Ọlámídé ló gbé mi tàbáyé o. Tẹ́tà wọn kò gba gidi. Ọpọlọ ti pọ̀ ju international promoter àwọn gbé mi lọ show Wizkid o. Wizkid ti bless mi o. 3K dollars ni Wizkid bàbá ńlá fi bless mi o. Pokoli ló ṣàwó oníjó ni o. Àjọ ń jó ni o. Mò ń kọrin mò ń jó òun náà ń jó. Ó ṣàwó mi o, ó kówó mi, ó fojú ẹ̀yìn ló ṣàwó mi o, ó ti ṣàwó mi báyìí sẹ́ta àwọn ṣàwó Nàìjíríà limited. Wọ́n ní kẹ̀kẹ́ ti ṣàwó wèrè olórin báyìí owó wèrè dà nínú 3K dollars $600 $100 ní 3K dollars 100 mẹ́fà ní wèrè kó lẹ̀ ẹsẹ̀ mẹ́fà wá speed boy lè. Pokoli àníbọn má jalè lè mi o Pokoli. Why? You no show love, oh. You no show love, oh. Now rip, you want rip me, oh. You carry my son, say now you get Azuni. Now let me do something with me, oh. But I don't bless me, oh. Now, you carry my son, you rip my, you don't rip me and rough. But every future, let me do, so I said, they go on and bend with you, better by it. Oh, yeah, that's for the question, then you look where you are, you Pokoli, future, portable. Are you mad or something? Now me get Sasu. Portable future Pokoli, Olamide, or portable future Olamide, Pokoli, Koja, so madini. Why? Nigga, respect yourself, don't have a for my boss, and I'm not going to go on. Why? You have a kilo taffy, I'm not put your dagger. Use your brain, Karasika, and let me leave my dad, I'm not to go. One time, are you mad or something? You want to die, you want to fight for Pokwo? Video, yeah, drop videos are good. They're not anywhere.
When I hear that one instantly, now I carry my phone, go audio mark, type on. Now I say, now Pokoli, I see. Pokoli featuring Olamide and Portable. I go another social media platform where I see they download song. The same thing. First, may I address this issue? I don't support this Zazuze when they come online. Come they tell us say Pokoli now only $600 he given. You suppose tell Pokoli one-on-one now your guy. You suppose address him. But if you can't tell him, he don't bring out the $3,000, me una share him. Then you can go tell your boss. Because I believe say you did on that record label. You can go tell him. Say the money when I make for show, Pokoli don't go they give me $600. So your boss go help you settle the matter behind the camera. Now the guy don't tell us. People come they blast this guy. See, I beg you be ungrateful person. You don't go they drag Pokoli. Pokoli won't help you. If not be Pokoli and the rest people will forever know you. I beg you, this illiterate people. Now when Kobagidi, I been at Kobagidi. When Kobagidi hear him, Kobagidi come begin the verse for this boy. The hotel where they be put this boy, they don't even push and come and say the boy an ungrateful person. Now let me they come tweet for Instagram. Say make una forgive him. Say life no get manual. We learn every day. Now Kobagidi take forgive him. The boy can go apologize. Even when the boy they apologize to Kobagidi, they open door the video round.
International promoter. Pokotua mememo Zatu Pokotua Emini Webelo Idamadubo Wahala music.
Bro, to be honest to you guys, this boy is being robbed of his sweat. First, you rob him for his money, $3,000. You they give him $600. You supposed to bring the money, give the guy when they spray. Now he go give you money. No be you when be Pokoli go come they give the guy money. The rightful owner of money. Now you when not be rightful owner, come they cut money, they give the rightful owner. Where you get sense? When Pokoli go get sense. Secondly, he say his song, you go use your name, go to register. Why? Now you singer. Person give you song, Baba. Help me promote this song. Make it the audio mark. And make it every other place where they fit download them. You go use your name to register. It's not good now. Now this boy don't talk. People know they look that matter now. Then they feel say the boy an ungrateful person. For your song.
Not be juju be that.
When the rich rob the poor, they call it business. But when the poor fight back, they call it violence. They're gonna fight the boy. Even when the boy go apologize, they open door, the video round.
I die.
They rob the boy still go apologize. This is where Kiss Daniel writes some time ago. He said this musical industry, he get kabao. They're not just a carry trend. If you don't belong, your music will just stay one place. There is no difference between politics and music industry. No difference. No difference. Innocent boy, you steal the money, you steal the song. Now you go they need down. They beg. This like try get money. Try get money. Try get money. I said try get money. Try get money. Now because this boy don't get money. The boy don't know this game very well. Now newcomer JJC. You don't know. Now make Pokoli go quick use in your name go to register the song for social media. Also say the boy na JJC, the boy don't know anything. Now they say the reason why make Pokoli put on for your audio mark account. Say any money when they use and make, they'll come share. Person when no share money $3,000 when Big Wiz spray Zazu. When we see, now that one can share the money will come from audio mark. This is why they always tell people. In anything you find yourself doing, try as much as possible to be educated. But if I tell them, they say, I beg you, school na scam. See ya now. School na scam. That is why some of you reach bank. Ordinary to free withdrawal slip, 3,850. You will find where you spell. I got you proof for you. blind your eye. Now so some boss out there take they treat boys. Any boss that is enslaving boys or the name of I want to help you, just know say you be rich.
Your good no will kill you.
Fools.
What?
OneXBet is the best and the most reliable online betting platform. Now that they sponsor Africa Cup of Nations, La Liga and Barcelona Football Club. Go to your Apple Store or Play Store, download the app and register with my promo code GBOVO BOVO. With your first deposit, OneXBet go summon you with 200% bonus. Registration is free. You no go want play oh. You dey find boy when don't play win when you want date.
Hey!